Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Offense, and I like to take this time and welcome you all to Trendlinestr. This is a YouTube channel where we do our daily analysis, we do our market daily analysis, and yes, we do go live, especially during the New York opening session. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you are doing well wherever you are watching this video. I hope you're having a great time. You are good, you are in a good mood, you are in a good position. I believe you are doing well. So without wasting any time, ladies and gentlemen, remember I'm always analyzing NASDAQ and gold. So at the moment I'm on our NASDAQ100. This is our 4-hourly time frame. Usually I do the 4-hourly time frame. How about we start with our daily time frame? Let's go to daily time frame. We know most daily time frame, it gives us that understanding or a very clear way of, not the way, man, a very clear idea of what will happen during the day or during this coming week. As we all know that we have a new, let me push this to the other side and get closer to the price, zoom in so we can be able, my price, I don't like it when it looks so messy, bruh. Let me just delete some of the stuff so that we can be able to see what will happen. On Friday, ladies and gentlemen, and this is what we had the thought or the idea of the price might push towards the downside. As we know, we have to come to closer on just to touch our moving average. So this is my EMA. I'm always using the moving averages. So the blue line that you see right here is my 50 EMA. So I use it to see where the price is heading or where the price might go, especially when the price is above the 50 EMA. I believe that it still has to come to, it must come close to the price. The price must come close to the EMA, to the moving average, or it should always touch the price, the EMA, before it move or before it make its move towards the upside. So ladies and gentlemen, I'm trying by all means to be as calm as possible. I'm panicking today because I'm running late, actually. Yes, I'm running late. So I was supposed to upload this video a long time ago, but anyway, today there was some couple of things that I had to do before I come and record or make this analysis. So ladies and gentlemen, today I believe that the price, as we can see, it might push a little bit higher. Let me move this away so that we can have a clear maybe idea. I'm not gonna erase it. It's gonna be there. It's my prediction. The price can push a little bit higher before it's push, or before it decide to go towards the downside. All we know, we have to come and have a pullback before we push towards the upside. The price has been pushing to that direction for very too long. It has been bullish for very too long. It's about time now we decide to at least relax. I haven't checked the news today. I need to check on the news. Remember, I'm trading technicals and fundamentals. I'm combining them using that strategy so that I don't get lost what might happen. So ladies and gentlemen, this is what we were having last week. This is for hourly time frame. For those who didn't see, if I went a little bit lower, I went, my 4-hour time frame. This is what was happening last week. Let's go to this was our higher high. The price was creating this type of movements. It's higher high. Let me erase this. I don't know if you can see these points that I'm trying to show you. Let me do it like this so that you can be what is happening now? So that you can be able to see. I like to make it very clear to everyone to see that I'm talking about this type of movement. Okay, the price gave us the higher high, came and gave us a higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and the price did what? Changed the character before it what? Retested, and we expect this to be our low, our higher low. Before the price gives us a lower low, we could have a lower, a higher low. The price could give us a lower low, and we might have our lower, our higher low before we reach that direction. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say. Do you see this change of character? Why I'm saying this is a change of character, the price when it makes this type of structure, when the price makes this type of structure, it tells us that it's breaking this, that this is what we might have, this is what we had. The price broke this higher high, gave us a new higher high, and broke to give us the new higher high. So the price will always give us this type of directions. And then when we have this the higher lows and higher lows, the price will break them to give us the lower low, and then create the lower high, lower low, the lower high, the lower low, and the lower high. I don't know if you understand. If I have to make it very clear for everyone to get it, let me just move close or away from what I'm or from the character, from the price there, from our structure there. This is what I mean. Our higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and they end up having a change of character and end up with the lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and lower low. You get what I mean? Every time when the price breaks this higher high, we're gonna have a bullish, and the price breaks, is gonna be bullish. If the price breaks towards the lower side, breaks the previous higher low, it means we're gonna have a lower low, then end up having lower high. The price pushed towards the downside, breaks this lower low, we're gonna have a new lower low, then lower high, lower low. The price breaks the structure, break of structure, then push towards the downside. You get what I'm saying? I hope this is very clear, guys. I hope this makes sense to you all. Oh man, I deleted that. I didn't want to delete that the block that I drew there, but anyway, it will be example. I will draw it again, no problem. So you can see what I'm talking about. We did have this trend line. Come on, we did have this trend line here. Remember that trend line? Last week we did have this type of structure when the trend line was just, we have to touch those weeks, ne? Those weeks must be on top, must be on our trend line, must touch them to show that it's our points right there, so that we can understand. So the price broke that previous trend is, and now the price broke and gave us the new lower low, which is our new what do you call, our strongest support at the moment. And now the price was retesting that diagonal resistance right there, diagonal support right there. That trend line, it was our diagonal support. You get it, ne? So the price was retesting, and now it's still retesting. We might have, or we should witness something like this. This is what I mean when I'm saying the price today must push towards the downside. This is NASDAQ100, ladies and gentlemen. We will wait and see what will happen during the opening session. For now, let's not waste any time and push straight towards gold. Our gold is on. Okay, this side is not giving me the good vibe there. The vibe that I'm looking for. So let's push on to gold. For our little time frame, gold, we have almost same structure with NASDAQ100. We can see that our gold broke also broke previous diagonal support right there. Remember that this is almost similar with NASDAQ100, and when it's like this, I don't think you will have to take more time, but you can see what is happening. There is our higher high. Let me use the ball pen. Our first higher high, second higher high, third higher high. When the price reached that higher high, couldn't manage to break with this pullback right here. The price didn't manage to break to give us the new higher high, but the price did what? Pushed towards the downside. And when the price is pushing towards the downside, we ended up having the change of structure, change of character. So we are no longer on bullish at the moment. As you can see, we ended up having the price ended up breaking from that diagonal support, and now the price is retesting. As you can see, we broke this diagonal support right here, Can you see what I'm drawing there? That diagonal support, the price managed to break, and then now we are retesting before we push towards the downside. So I will be expecting this type of movement today or this week. It could take a week. Remember, the price might not just shoot straight towards the downside today, unless if there's any news that will change our character or change our price move. So whatever I believe in today, we are just retesting. After retesting that price, we might break this level and retest again and push towards the downside. This is what I will be expecting. Let me do this. It's gold moose. With gold, I love to have something like this. This is for hourly time frame, by the way. Soon I will be moving closer to the lowest time frame. Yeah. So I'm not gonna push it towards my stop loss is not gonna be so high like this. I will just bring it closer before we reach here, since the price will retest, and then I'm gonna put my take profit around this level right here, so that when we break that level, that's when I'm taking my profit. I don't know if this is visible. Should I increase the color? Let me increase that color right there, and also the red color right there. So ladies and gentlemen, you can see what is happening with gold. This is what I'm expecting. The reason why I'm also expecting this, let me push closer to the price so that we can be able to read the candles. We can be able to have or to understand what could happen with the candles. I'm expecting the price to push towards here, and before that we will be having lower low. Hope that makes sense. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching this video. I will yeah, that's the price. It's moving towards the downside, as you can see. I meant to say, where was I? Was I done with the analysis? Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, you can see the price will be moving towards the downside. I'm expecting it just after this candle. Excuse me. Yeah, just after this candle, I'll be expecting for this candle to close above. Excuse me about that distraction right there. Yeah, my mother was just calling. So ladies and gentlemen, I'm saying this price, this candle must close below, just below, before we have another candle that will open towards, or that will break towards the downside. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching this video. I'm really glad that you guys are supporting the channel. Those who haven't subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe, click the like button, and please continue to watch or even binge watch my old videos and be with this channel. Thank you so much. Share and like. May God bless.